Hi guys. My name is John Luis. Today we will talk about 10 tips about how to buy the right stock. Please subscribe to my channel. Your support helps us to create more videos. So, how to choose what stock to buy? Let's talk about this a bit. The first tip is the most important one. Buy a stock you can understand. Let's take a look on these 4 important notes. By understand I mean, know what the business about, how it works, what they do and how they make money or grow. Let's take McDonald's for example. How do they make money? 1. They sell food. 2. They buy real estate for their locations. So, how can it grow? If they sell more, they grow. They need more locations, more employees and they produce more food. How can they sell more? Via drive-through. Via online orders. Via making better food. Via making deliveries. Well, you get the idea. If they sell more and get bigger, their stock price will go higher. That's the first step of buying a stock. Understand how they work. It is always good to do quick research about the company to understand more. Second tip. Buy something you use on a daily basis. For example, do you use Macintosh or Windows? If you use Macintosh, go for Apple. If you use Windows, go for Microsoft. By doing this you invest on a company you are already using, either you like their product or not. You contribute to their stock's price. You can always buy them both, if you use them both on different ways. For example, your phone is Apple but your computer is Microsoft. Tip number 3. Buy something you love or relate. For example, you love using Amazon, and find yourself feeling good every time you use their platform. The right thing to do is to ask more people if they love it or relate to it. This will help you decide which stock to buy. Tip number 4. Buy something you believe on but can't afford. For example, you believe on electric cars, you think this is the future, but unfortunately you can't own Tesla. Start thinking on investing on them. Tip number 5. Do not buy something you do not like, cannot understand or relate. This will actually help you to avoid some things and make your decisions much more easier. Remember, tip number 5 is only for beginners. We all buy stocks we don't like as long as they make money to us. Tip number 6. When you buy a stock, start with small amount of money. Never take leverage or a loan. For example, you believe on Amazon, but their stock is very expensive for you. You can't invest $2,000 on a stock now. What do? 1. Buy other stock you relate to or believe. 2. Try platform called Stash, they can sell part of a stock. Or, search for buy part of a stock on Google. Tip number 7. Do not believe to the news or to what other people say. This is your money and only you decide what to do with it. Take full responsibility and make a move only when you feel it's right to you. But do not hesitate too much, sometimes you need to take risks. Tip number 8. Start with easy platform with as less fees as possible. Robinhood for example, they have 0 fees and their platform is so easy to use. Links can be found on the description below. Tip number 9. Try demo trading account. Try Interactive Broker's demo account. You can play with the platform to see how it works for you. It is smart move to feel the ground before playing on it. This is how their trading platform looks like. Confusing for first look, take your time. Links can be found on the description below. Once you feel comfortable, start using real money. Finally we got to our last tip. Tip number 10. We see now, AT&T stock. They have 5.3% dividend. Look for a company that pays high dividend. If a company pays you 6% dividend a year, you're already making 6% of what you put on them. Low dividend is around 1%, high dividend is around 8%. The main idea of dividend is that a company pays you X% for every stock you buy. It does not matter if their stock's price went up or went down. If you want to learn more about dividends, click on the icon now. Bonus tip. Never buy one stock. Always split your risk. Diversification is very important. Buy around 10 stocks at once just to be safe. Alright guys, we are done. Hope you learned something new. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel now. Do not forget to like and comment whatever question you have. On the next video I will speak about top 4 best platforms to use when investing. Hope to see you soon.